How to clear cache on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear cache on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy and scroll down. Here you will find scroll down until you find this one, free up space. Click on it and here we'll find cache. Now all you need to do is just click here, clear, and click clear, and as you see cache have been cleared. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.